Fish Cook from Nizhny Novgorod Carnival Factory is the case when an unusual image does not cause inconvenience. The animator's gaze is in the character's mouth area, which gives a wide view to the animator. The structure on the isolon frame weighs minimally, does not constrain movements, and fits perfectly with a height of up to 185 centimeters. Breathes freely. Ventilation is thought out right in the mouth area. The set includes pants, a jacket, gloves, and soft shoes with a rubberized sole. Each seam undergoes a 3-stage quality control of the OTC so that the suit remains in excellent condition even after active use. This character will become the highlight of children's holidays, culinary shows, festivals, and promotions. He attracts attention and is memorable. Production in Russia, production time, from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an exact cost calculation? Contacts for video, write or call right now.